No thoughts, just vibe.
Huh?
No thoughts, just vibe.
Just vibe. What's up, everybody? I'm at my favorite part of the Braille house, the Vert Ramp. I've seen some comments where it's like, more Vert videos, and you aren't using the Vert enough. I skate this Vert like every single week, and I love it. And I decided, since my birthday is it's today when this comes out, and I was thinking, I'm turning 14. I'm gonna try to do a hard, like 14 trick line. So I'm gonna just do a lot of tricks that I can, some hard ones. I'm not gonna go easy, because if it's too easy, then it's not gonna be cool. Yeah, just have fun with it. I don't even know what I'm gonna do yet. I don't know my line. We'll figure it out. All right, should I skate now?
Yeah.
All right, let's skate.
Starting to air higher, huh?
Huh, that's just a warm-up.
JD, if I did a line in here that consisted of one trick, would it count?
I think a line has to have at least 4 tricks.
I was gonna set up a drop-in comment, but he just blew it up, so it's fine.
Oh.
All right, go ahead.
I still don't know what I'm gonna do for my line, but I just wanna make sure I have a 5, a kickflip, a heel flip, and a varial flip at least. I'm gonna just probably figure it out on the way. You know what, I'm gonna just try it already. I'm gonna come up with it on the go, right now, first tee.
Oh,
I don't even know what trick
that was 7.
That was 7?
How did you just do that?
All right, so now I got another 7?
Well, I mean, you got to do them all. If
I
you're
know.
doing them all in line, technically you're only halfway there.
I don't know what to do for the next 7.
I think that lineup was
You
great.
get Madonna.
Yeah, I know, but I can't just do those easy tricks.
You gotta do lip tricks, you gotta have combos.
I'm gonna do hard lip tricks. I'm just saying I don't need to do Madonnas. I think I got a little bit more to figure out, but I'll get it.
He's growing up right before our very eyes.
Yeah, you're growing up too fast.
So that's 9. Okay, I think I got a little idea.
And now the battle begins.
Yep.
Oh. I was rooting for you, but at the same time, I was like, come on.
The hardest part is walking up the stairs every time. It's tiring. All right, I'm gonna just land it this try, just for myself.
I feel like you gotta switch that up.
Why?
The revert in the middle is brute.
I mean, I did it during the contest.
Ah, you're right.
After that revert, I'm gonna do a nice easy full cab and then just do like 3 easy tricks, or 2 easy tricks. Like full cab, back boneless, alley-oop, nose grind, lip slide. I don't know what I'm doing there. Like a frontside ollie, kick flip into the fakie, and I still don't know what I'm doing after that. So, all right, here we go. Dude, what was that flip? I'm gonna grab some water real fast.
I was literally just thinking that same thing. What is your most valuable lesson in 14 years of life that you've learned?
Have fun.
Good answer. I thought you were gonna answer hustle Gabe Cruz.
Hustle, that's a good answer. That is a very good answer. Hustle Gabe Cruz. If I landed this try, you gotta spam in the comments, Gabe drop in until you're blocked.
Wow.
Wow.
So that's like 100 comments at least. Oh yeah, and message Gabe on Instagram that all day so that his phone will just be like ding, 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 you know? All right, right here.
I got my notification silenced.
All right, I'm gonna get close. I'm gonna land. Actually, I'm not gonna get close. I'm gonna just land it this try.
There we go.
It's my mentality. Bro, not the easy trick. That's what's gonna get me. This ramp feels like a mini ramp right now because I've been skating this big ramp a lot. That thing is like so perfect. This thing is perfect too. That thing is just, it's huge compared to this.
Hey, Derek, you're a star.
Thank you.
All right, if I landed right here, Mowgli, you gotta fulfill that rock to fakie on Vert if I landed this try.
Damn.
I never said I wasn't gonna do it. Just a lot of stuff is coming up and I gotta be safe.
I know. Once all that is done,
$100 right here from your dad.
just give me the new Scarlet. All right, here you go. What trick was I on?
You do all in the
You
game,
fell on
huh?
15 tricks.
You do all in the game.
That was 14?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Oh, that was, ow. I landed on the mic. Well, that was easy.
What? That was easy? What the?
Crazy.
What is wrong with you?
Insane.
You know
Dude, that lip trick you did up there?
Bro,
What
I
was
almost
that?
flipped and slammed.
What was that? Hurricane lip or something?
Around the world, I mean, alley-oop, nose grind, lip slide. Shout out Reef Orlando, the one who inspired me to try this trick. Probably one of the best nose grind vert skaters ever.
You say what?
Not all the pads in the world could redo this.
That was insane.
Julian, drop in on Vert.
Oh yeah, I should have bet that, because I know he could do it. That last trick before I fell, I literally haven't done in like a year, so I'm pretty stoked on that. You owe me that now, Dad. Dude, I was scared on that alley-oop nose grind lip. My board was literally like, that. That was scary. But I did it. Thank you all for watching. I'm officially 14. I'm getting older, still feeling young though. And make sure you have so much fun. Enjoy every single second of your life. It goes by fast. And check out all those videos right over there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we will see you in the next one.